Are skin tags causing you discomfort? TagBand is a cost-effective skin tag removal device that can be used from the comfort of your own home. These innovative devices were the first on the market to use the ligation method and are trusted by thousands of consumers. Let me show you how it works. First, clean the skin tag and the surrounding area with one of the provided cleansing swabs. Attach the cone to the base of the device. Place a band onto the tip of the cone and roll down to the base. Remove the cone and position the hollow end of the device over the skin tag and level with the skin surface. Then push the button to release the band. The band will now be held securely in place, where it will remain until the skin tag falls off. If you have a skin tag you'd like to remove, you can purchase your TagBand kit today with worldwide shipping and a full money-back guarantee. Available now on Amazon Prime.